Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is only for your good preparation for the NEET exam. I will discuss biology MCQs with you at regular interval and definitely it will help you to crack the NEET exam. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you found value in this video, please consider liking, subscribing and sharing my channel. Let's keep the community growing, and also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Now the question is, select the incorrect statement. The options are opioids are the drugs which bind to opioid receptors present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Second option, cocaine is obtained from coca plant, Erythroxylum coca. Third, natural cannabinoids are obtained from the inflorescence of the plant Cannabis sativa. Option 4, LSD, lysergic acid dimethylamide, is most powerful hallucinogen extracted from Papaver somniferum. Here the correct answer will be option 1, that is opioids are the drugs which bind to opioid receptors present in our central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Now the next question is, the modern idea about aging is that our body slowly loses the power of defense against the invasion of germs and pathogens. This process starts by the disappearance of which organ? The options are pituitary gland, spleen, thymus gland and parathyroid gland. The correct answer will be option 3, thymus gland, because thymus grows rapidly and attains the greatest size relative to the rest of the body during fetal life and the first year after birth. Thereafter it continues to grow but more slowly than the other organs. The thymus is responsible for the maturation of the T lymphocytes, which is most crucial cells for maintaining the immunity of the body. At the onset of puberty, the thymus begins a slow process of shrinking. This gradual diminution in size continues for the rest of the individual's life. During the involution or shrinking of the thymus, the cortex becomes thin, lymphocytes disappear and are replaced by fat tissue from the partitions between the lobules. Thus, the loss of lymphocyte will result in decreased immune power. Here the correct answer is option C, that is thymus gland. Now the next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? The antigen binding site of the antibody molecule is called paratope. Toxoids provide passive immunity. ATS or antitetanus serum provides us with artificial induced passive immunity, and the first gene therapy was done for SCID, in which the gene for the enzyme adenosine deaminase was introduced. Here the correct answer will be option 2, that is toxoid provide passive immunity, because toxoid is a type of vaccine obtained from the toxin and are inactivated and made harmless by chemical or heat treatment. Example, tetanus toxoid is obtained by Clostridium tetani. Thus vaccine provide artificial active acquired immunity. Now the next question is, human immunodeficiency virus or HIV. The options are GP120, CD4, CCR5 and both 1 and 3. Here the correct answer will be option 4, both 1 and 3, because here the option 1, GP120 molecule of HIV is basically a glycoprotein and that is part of the outer layer of the virus, and the option 3, that is CCR5, the chemokine receptor 5, is used by the human immunodeficiency virus to infect the cells. Now the last question of this video, human immunodeficiency virus HIV has a protein coat and a genetic material which is option 1, double-stranded RNA, double-stranded DNA, single-stranded DNA and single-stranded RNA. Here the correct answer will be option 4, single-stranded RNA, because AIDS is caused by HIV virus. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, belongs to a special class of viruses called retrovirus. Within this class, HIV is placed in a subgroup called lentivirus. HIV consists of a viral envelope. With the viral envelope, two identical copies of single-stranded RNA are present and reverse transcriptase enzyme. Here HIV is a protein coat, has a protein coat and genetic material which is single-stranded RNA. So here the correct answer is ssRNA or single-stranded RNA. Now thank you. Stay tuned for our next video, and I would truly grateful if you enjoyed this one.